Imagining a world where AI-generated videos are indistinguishable from the real thing. No more grainy textures, no more awkward lip movements, just pure, unadulterated realism. And that's exactly what researchers at the University of California, Berkeley have just achieved with their revolutionary new technique, diffusion-based image synthesis. Using this cutting-edge method, the team led by Professor Jonathan Ragan-Kelley has successfully created an AI model that can produce video footage so convincing it's nearly impossible to spot the fake. The implications are staggering. Think about it. With technology like this at our disposal, the possibilities for entertainment, education, and even social engineering are endless. But here's the kicker. Their latest breakthrough wasn't just a minor tweak on existing tech. No, they've pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They've taken a generated video from passable to photorealistic. We're talking Hollywood-level quality, folks. The team used NVIDIA 100Q to generate footage that's not only stunningly realistic but also eerily lifelike. The results are nothing short of astonishing. According to their research paper, the AI model they developed, dubbed diffusion video synthesis, is capable of producing video with resolutions up to 4K and frame rates as high as 60 fps. To put that into perspective, this is on par with some of the most advanced CGI animation software used in blockbuster movies today. But here's where things get really interesting, or rather, unsettling. With AI-generated video becoming increasingly indistinguishable from reality, it raises fundamental questions about what we consider real and what we don't. Where do we draw the line between artifice and authenticity? And who gets to decide? As we stand at the precipice of this technological revolution, one thing is certain: nothing will ever be the same again. The field of artificial intelligence has reached another milestone with the recent breakthrough at the University of California, Berkeley. Researchers led by Professor David Ball have successfully developed a new technique called diffusion-based image synthesis, which enables AI models to produce video footage that is remarkably more realistic and nuanced than ever before. The team's achievement is particularly impressive given the complexity of generating high-quality video content. To put this into perspective, consider that even the most advanced AI models struggle to replicate the subtleties of human motion, lighting, and texture. However, diffusion-based image synthesis has managed to overcome these challenges by using a process called stochastic gradient descent, which involves iteratively refining the model's predictions through feedback from the data. One of the key innovations behind this technique is its ability to learn from raw video data rather than relying on pre-existing templates or models. This allows the AI to capture minute details and variations in lighting, texture, and color that are lost when using traditional approaches. According to Professor Ball, the model has demonstrated a significant improvement in its ability to generate realistic videos, with some samples showing photorealistic quality. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching, with potential applications in fields such as filmmaking, animation, and even video game development. Breakthrough. Imagine it being able to create ultra-realistic characters or environments without the need for expensive special effects or lengthy rendering times. However, as we delve deeper into the capabilities of these AI models, it's essential to consider the broader implications of this technology. What does it mean for the future of content creation? And what are the potential consequences of relying on machines to generate increasingly realistic video footage? The breakthrough comes courtesy of researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, who've made significant strides in developing an AI capable of generating more realistic and nuanced video footage. Their innovation lays in a new technique called diffusion-based image synthesis. Essentially, this method uses complex mathematical equations to progressively refine a blurry image until it converges into a clear and detailed picture. The process is based on the concept of diffusion, where the AI iteratively refines its prediction by sampling from a noise distribution. The more iterations, the more accurate the result. By applying this technique to video generation, researchers have achieved unprecedented levels of realism. In one study, published in the journal Nature last year, the Berkeley team generated synthetic footage that convincingly mimicked real-world video. They demonstrated their AI's prowess by creating 3D reconstructions of indoor scenes with remarkable accuracy. One key area where this technique excels is in generating detailed textures and patterns. For instance, a synthesized image of a leaf might capture subtle nuances like the veins, texture, and even slight shading variations, all without any human intervention. This level of fidelity has significant implications for applications ranging from film production to product design. The study's lead author, Dr. David Baugh, emphasizes that their approach is not simply about rendering images with increasing complexity, but rather understanding how humans perceive and process visual information. By modeling this perception, the AI can generate visuals that are both realistic and aesthetically pleasing, a crucial distinction in a world where photorealism often comes at the cost of artistic integrity. The diffusion-based image synthesis technique has already begun to influence various fields, including computer graphics and video game development. As it continues to advance, we may see even more sophisticated applications emerge. The breakthrough in AI-generated video has sparked a mix of excitement and concern among industry experts. As we delve deeper into the implications, it becomes clear that the advancements have the potential to disrupt numerous sectors, from entertainment to journalism. Researchers at Berkeley Say Research Lab, led by Dr. Sergey Levine, have made significant strides in refining the process. Their diffusion-based image synthesis technique enables the creation of video footage with uncanny realism and emotional depth. This is particularly evident in the lab's latest experiments, where AI-generated videos convincingly mimic human behavior, expressions, and even emotions. One of the most striking examples is a short film created by the team, which tells the story of a young couple reuniting after being separated for years. The video, featuring AI-generated humans, is remarkably lifelike, with nuanced facial expressions and subtle body language that evokes genuine emotional responses from viewers. While this achievement is undoubtedly impressive, it raises important questions about authenticity and the boundaries between reality and artificiality. The potential applications of such technology are vast and varied. In entertainment, AI-generated actors could revolutionize the film industry, allowing for unprecedented creative freedom and cost savings. However, this also poses significant challenges to traditional notions of authorship and labor rights. Journalists and news organizations may find themselves facing new dilemmas as well, as AI-generated footage blurs the lines between fact and fiction. Moreover, concerns about bias and manipulation have been amplified by these advancements. Critics argue that AI-generated content can be easily manipulated to promote specific agendas or ideologies, compromising the integrity of media outlets and undermining public trust. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, it becomes increasingly evident that a nuanced discussion around ethics, responsibility, and accountability is long overdue. The pace at which these technologies are evolving has left many in the industry